Hello everyone. So I'm back again in less than 24 hours. Almost 22 hours have passed and I have made some more profit. Let me show you the date. So it's 10th of March and we met on 9th of March when I was having $9.86 in my wallet. And as you can see that right now I am having some 25.52 USDT. They are definitely dollars. So how I made it, let me go to my trade history. And it has just ended. If you can see the time on my screen and my closing time of trade, it is 15:39. So yes, it ended like 10 minutes before and I made around $14 out of it. Let me show you the cross collateral to be very precise. This transaction history. So as you can see that at 15:39 I closed my trade of Waves USDT and I made $8.474. The one which is shown under it is in minus, reason being that was the fee which Binance took from me. Then the fourth column shows that I made another $3. Then moving on, again I made 2.96 and these are some fee. Again I have made some 0.75 and last time when we talked we were having a trade of ADA out of which I made 0.4731. So overall when my last balance was 9.86 and today my balance is 25.52, so it's like $15 above the last one. So this is how I made $15 in less than 24 hours. And if you're having a lot of fun, or maybe you are taking multiple trades in different coins, then definitely this can multiply to threefold or maybe more. But that is not the objective of these videos. The objective is to inspire everyone that if you are having very low fund and you are trading in just one single coin on daily basis, then what is the outcome by the end of the month? What will you gain by the end of the month if you are playing very safely and very steadily with very low funds? So we'll see again tomorrow and we'll see if we'll lose some money or maybe we'll make some money. So till then, take care.